Most people don't talk about this, but maybe that's exactly why we need to. Let's talk about anal sphincter strength and why it matters for healing hemorrhoids, stopping leaks, and regaining control of your body. If you are dealing with hemorrhoids that keeps flaring up, urgency when you need to poop, that helpless feeling when you can't hold gas in public, this episode is for you. I know it's an awkward topic, but it was my reality for years and for millions of people silently struggling. It still is. But here is the part no one teaches. If your sphincter muscles are too weak or too tight, you'll keep cycling through symptoms no matter what creams or diets you try. So today, I want to help you break that cycle. We are going to train those muscles safely, precisely, and gently using anal Kegel exercises. This isn't about squeezing, it's about retraining coordination, control, and confidence. And by the end of the video, you will not only know how to do it right, but also how to build a personalized practice to reclaim bowel control and reduce hemorrhoid flare-ups, one rep at a time. I'm Bimal, founder of Gutsphere, and if you are new here, our mission is simple: to make GI care accessible, affordable, and actionable for real people like you and me. Because healing hemorrhoids isn't just about ointments, it's about understanding your body inside and out. And why this matter? Let's break it down. Your pelvic floor muscles, especially the levator ani and the external anal sphincter, are like the security system of the bottom end. They control when you hold and when you release and how much pressure builds up inside. If they are weak, you leak. If you are tight, you strain, flare, and stress your gut out. Kegels are like physical therapy for these muscles, but only if you do them right. And that's what we are going to cover, starting with the basics and building up. Start by sitting or lying down comfortably. Inhale deeply through your nose. Now, as you exhale, gently squeeze the muscles around your anal, like you're stopping gas. Hold for 5 seconds, then release for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 to 15 times, 2 to 3 times a day. Focus only on your anal sphincter. Don't tense your buttocks, thighs, or abs. That's cheating, and it makes things worse. This is all about control and awareness. Let us imagine your anus is an elevator with 4 floors. You start with floor 1, light squeeze, then hold. Then floor 2, medium squeeze and hold. And floor 3, full squeeze and hold. And now reverse. Release slowly back to second floor. Then 1, then rest. Repeat this 5 times. This helps you build fine-tuned control. So you are not just cleansing hard, but actually learning graduated strength and release. Next are like sprints for your sphincters. Quickly squeeze and release, no holding. Squeeze and release, no holding. Do 10 reps, then rest. Repeat 3 sets. This is especially helpful if you deal with urgency, those sudden I gotta go moments. You are training for responsiveness. If you have ever wondered, am I doing it right? You are not alone. That's where biofeedback comes in. Clinics use devices to measure pressure or electrical activity in your pelvic muscle. They can help you spot if you are over squeezing, not activating enough, or struggling to relax afterward. But here's the truth. You don't need fancy tech to get this started. Gently insert a clean, lubricated finger about 1 to 2 inches in your anus. On a squeeze, you should feel the muscle tighten around your finger. On a release, it's a soft back. That's it. With consistent practice, you will learn what good control feels like and what needs work. Clean hands, trim nails, wash before and after. And if unsure, consult a pelvic health specialist. But before you start your routine, this matters. Do focus only on anal sphincter. If your abs, glutes, or thighs are cleansing, reset. Exhale during the squeeze. Your breath guides your muscle. Rest as much as you squeeze. Recovery is where healing happens, and stay consistent. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. But don't hold your breath. That increases pressure and may cause more hemorrhoid strain. And don't overtrain. These are small, delicate muscles. More reps doesn't mean better results. Don't skip reverse Kegels and breath work. Too much tightening without release leads to flare-ups, not healing. Think of it like this. Strength plus relaxation equal to true control, and you need both. Now let's put this into action. Here is a simple 2-week plan to strengthen, rebalance, and retrain your pelvic floor. Morning, 5 to 7 minutes, 10 basic anal squeezes, 5 elevator Kegels, 1 minute balloon breathing from the reverse Kegel episode. And afternoon, 2 to 3 minutes, 3 sets of quick 1 minute flicks and reverse Kegel in child's pose or in toilet. And evening, 5 minutes biofeedback or finger check, elevator Kegels, and relaxation breathing before sleep. Track how you feel. Are you straining less? Is your urgency down? Is your control improving? This isn't just exercise. It's nervous system rewiring. The more mindful you are, the faster your body will adapt. I know this isn't easy to talk about, but I also know silence keeps us stuck. I spent years embarrassed by my symptom, too afraid to bring it up, too unsure what to do. But the truth is, once I learned about the pelvic floor, once I understood how to strengthen my anal sphincter without shame, without overdoing, things started to shift. So if you have been suffering in silence, let this be your turning point. It's not about being perfect. It's about building awareness, one squeeze, one breath, one day at a time. If this helped you, please share it. You never know who else needs this information and doesn't know where to begin. Download the Gutsphere app to track your Kegels, reverse Kegels, and bowel habits, all in one place. No adjustment, just clarity, tools, and healing. So we have come full circle. If you have made it this far, thank you. Not just for watching, but for choosing to understand your body, for listening, for learning, and most of all, for not giving up. When I had my first flare-up, I didn't know any of this. I just knew there was blood on the paper, a pain I couldn't explain, and a whole lot of silence. No one told me it might be connected to how I sit, or breathe, or hold stress. No one explained how weak sphincters or tight pelvic floors could cause this. No one said healing was possible, without shame, without surgery. So I made this my mission to learn, and this series was the result. So here's what we have learned together. We have explored flare-ups and root causes. We practiced breath, stillness, and softness. We learned how to squeeze and how to let go. We retrained our pelvic floor. We redefined what strength means. More than anything, we stopped seeing hemorrhoids as a curse and started seeing them as a signal. Now, before we say goodbye, I want to remind you, recovery is not a straight line. You will have setbacks. I still do. But now you have a plan, a map, a toolbox, team. You are no longer stuck in the loop of treat and wait. You are healing proactively. Awareness, rhythm, and grace. Gutsphere is built for this. And if you want support beyond these videos, that's exactly why I built Gutsphere. It's more than just an app. It's a GI copilot to help you track what matters, your bowel patterns, your triggers, your exercises, your progress. Because healing isn't just about knowledge. It's about action, consistency, and Gutsphere makes that easier every single day. Please download it. And don't go through this alone again. Let me leave you with this. Your body is not broken. It's just misunderstood. Healing hemorrhoids isn't just about hiding symptoms. It's about reconnecting with your nervous system, your muscle, your breath, yourself. The pain you feel, it's real, but so is your power. So whether you are just beginning or on your 10th flare-up, keep going. You are not behind, you are not late, you are on the path, and you are not alone anymore. And share this series with someone still stuck in shame.